Shun fibro shua bangan nyetu igni kipus kibalai jangan kwa abang ong nyepi bagi don bun napi pila subscribe dari pimio iki notification jengki video ki banga upload ban matai te dakan mau nda pila dap subscribe ru piapan klik yu notification bell kumbalong kaneka yu hangne piap klik ru yu notification bell ndala klik notification bell bade kasawan notification batch ndala upload video marki don ki bang wa kapoi hadin la slam hang la subscribe ndai kapoi slam te kan mau ban klik yu notification bell te kan deka video mta don kijing tip spang kubor like kam hikai kidon kumba artli e kipus kam hikai kibade ki deficit te kane kaban kong kade hapo Marshallong Presbyterian Lower Primary School Southwest Khasi Hill qualification kade class 12 pass shajrong wajma graduate postgraduate with B.Ed D.L.Ed MTED pia pass we kita te salary kade ka deficit mudwa pia pass class 12 shajrong te ka kine ki B.Ed de pia don bej marba kami kai menta B.Ed D.L.Ed is compulsory te namta ki primary bede ka MTED compulsory te kane de namta ki primary pia pass ya ka MTED salary kade deficit age as per government rules ka last date man submit application kande sau tarik November arjar but ka date of interview kade khatar tarik November arjar at 10:30 am in school premises hapo school and personal interview will be intimate letter kinsa tip hatin te namta king tip khamnia philaban phone uni number prasan nyusan pranyo nriu not r sakawai biang the one post of assistant teacher at Umta private LP school deficit Ribohoi district kene kare hapo Ribohoi district rewe hapo Southwest Khasi Hill district nongpo minimum qualification dimilong class 12 pass with 45% diben pass ka D.L.Ed diben don ka MTED LP age as per government norms interested candidates kin la submit educational certificate jungki to the undersigned on or before khatsau tarik November arjar ba phap submit application ko phi hau khatsau tarik hapo ne khatsau tarik November secretary jung school Umta private LP school mobile number pranyo pra ndriu san khandai mut ba ban submit lane ban namta gi jingtip bakhamne philaban phone ni number tangine gi jingtip kulej bun